The dolphin tattoo is one of the most popular in the world of body art, not only for its visual beauty, but for everything it symbolizes. In many ancient cultures, the dolphin has represented freedom and the joy of life. Its agile and playful swimming style inspires those seeking a symbol of lightness, harmony with nature, and an adventurous spirit. It is also associated with friendship and protection, as these animals are known to even assist humans at sea. In Greek mythology, dolphins were messengers of the sea gods and guides to sailors, giving the tattoo a spiritual guidance and good fortune on journeys. In other cultures, it is linked to healing and positive energy, as the dolphin conveys peace and vitality. Visually, dolphin tattoos can vary greatly. Some prefer a minimalist and delicate design, while others choose more elaborate scenes with waves, mandalas, or even several moving dolphins. Colors also play a role. Black denotes elegance and sobriety, while blue and turquoise tones highlight the connection with water and the freshness of the sea. In short, a dolphin tattoo isn't just an aesthetic adornment. It carries messages of freedom, joy, friendship, and protection, as if the wearer were always carrying a piece of the ocean on their skin.